These are the elevators in the lobby of the Grand Pacific Palisades. We got a huge mosquito on the wall here.
Oh no. The other one we should have got.
That's an Otis.
It's a different Otis than the other.
Here, let's get out of this one because it's got a huge mosquito in it.
Oh, I should send that one out.
Oh, wait, but wait.
Okay,
We'll wait for the next one. Thank you.
Yeah, because we don't want to get bit by the mosquito. Well, we also have machine ones. Probably we don't get this one because it has a mosquito inside. I'm not getting bit. Hopefully it comes down. But this one keeps coming.
There's another spider.
Oh, there's so many spiders over here. There's so many spiders over here.
Like an employee area over there. Some golf carts.
It'll be this one. This one is a fan.
This one's mosquito free. So it's an Otis. It's got
This
4
one's a little
floors.
slower than the other one.
Takes you into the parking garage and up to the hotels.
This one has indoor. We're stopping at one. Sounds like it's a little bit busy. A little bit busy.
Yeah, no, I walked away. I went up there and it was all dark.
Oh, the call canceled. Oh.
Alright.
Oh no, the buttons are not working.
Which floor?
Third.
Uh-oh. There it goes. That was weird. This call canceled.
Alright, we're up on the 3rd floor now.
I don't know why the button went out.
These are the standard rooms at the Grand Pacific Palisades.
The other ones are the condos. This elevator is kind of scary. Than the other one.
Alright, there is another elevator on the other end of the hall. We're gonna try and get through the lobby here.
Please have this one. Let's see if the call cancels. This is different. This is the shimmer. This is the shimmer. This one's different. It sounds like it's a shimmer. Oh, so crazy. It's a shimmer.
This one might have a rear door, you think?
I don't know. I think it's gonna be the same thing.
Same
Schindler.
thing.
Has that?
Schindler, though.
I don't know what that is. That's like a little
Going up to 3.
This is elevator number 3, it says. This one doesn't serve the parking garage. It has hand sanitizer. It goes up like.
Cat view here.
Let's see what even opens to. I think there's only like 3 little things. It's kind of. Oh, look up here. Oh, it's outside.
Oh, you go outside?
Yes.
Cool.
It's kind of confusing.
Oh, we can walk this way, bud.
Oh yeah, look, you can actually walk over here.
This is gonna be a long video, so we got a few elevators to look at.
You can actually walk over here. It connects?
We are on the 3rd floor
It connects.
of the Grand Pacific Palisades.
And they have one more elevator.
There's the valet drop-off there.
It connects. That's so cool. It doesn't connect to that one.
Here's the pool.
We have to walk really far.
Kind of a long walk here. Good shot of the pool there at night. It's about 60 degrees, maybe mid 50s. People out in the pool. A little too chilly for me, but to each their own. Okay, you want to do the one at the end? It's an Otis right there. A lot of units out here. These are mostly 2-bedroom suites. There's the play area for the kids. Roof access. Ooh, a basketball court too. Jacob, did you know there was a basketball court?
No.
Yeah, there's a nice basketball court right here.
That's cool.
Looks like a 12-inch rim too.
Montgomery Cone, it looks like.
Montgomery Cone. Here's the fixture.
It's a little bit of a. It's a different. I didn't even know these elevators.
Ooh, it's got a rear door.
Let's see where it goes. Oh, it goes to S. S, I think, is locked. GR works. Let's see where GR goes.
It's a Cone. Let's look at the
I
fixtures
think it's a
here.
Montgomery Cone. It might be.
Got a rear door access.
I think this is gonna be 2. I think it's gonna open up.
So we came in through this door. We're gonna have.
I think this door open. I think this one's gonna open. The side door. Yep.
Wow.
Oh, it opened.
Into the parking structure.
More parking. There's lots of elevators here.
All right, and then we can go back to our elevator over here.
More elevators over here.
All right, guys. Like and subscribe.